Video, I'll show you how you can take certs that you've received from your suppliers, quickly conduct an internal review, add them to your created dashboard, and then combine and package multiple smart certs into one complete cert package, which you can then quickly share with your customers. As an example, I'm here on my received dashboard where I've received a few different certs from my suppliers. I'm going to open one of them up, give it a quick review, make sure that all of the required documents are attached. I'm going to conduct a quick specification check. I'll open up my sample specification, UST 2.0, click on check compliance, and I can see that all of the rules have passed, meaning that all of the data within these fields is within the required tolerances. Once that's complete, I've conducted my internal review, made sure everything looks good. I want to add this onto my created dashboard since it's currently on the received dashboard. I'll click on copy to new SmartCert, fill out one of these fields, click on Save SmartCert, and this shows up on our created dashboard in real time. Once I open this up, I want to click on merge with others, and I want to search for the other certs that I want to use in combination for one complete cert package. I'm going to grab this one, go ahead and merge the files over. We also have the option to carry over data into the fields here, and we can merge as many smart certs as we'd like. I'm just going to use 2 for this example. You can click on both documents and actually turn them into one document by pressing merge all and replace. And we can see that this is now one combined document. From here, I can save the SmartCert. If we need to, before we actually share it with a customer, now that we have these onto one document, I can open up my editing function, go down to the document, and we have the full suite of document editing tools. So you can add company stamps if you have them uploaded, you can redact areas, you can add text onto the document if you need to insert a lot number, something like that. You can also add a signature indicating that you've conducted your internal review, place that on the document. So all of these document editing functions are available to you. You can also remove pages or reorder pages. Once this is complete, I can save this, and I want to actually share this with a customer. So I can click on this green arrow up here, or excuse me, this blue arrow. Press on share. And this has now been sent to my customer's received dashboard in real time. When we go back out to the created dashboard, we see the green arrow here indicating that this has been shared. We can open it up, look at sharing history, and see that Latkin has received it, and we'll also get notified here when they've actually viewed the SmartCert.